Calculate the area of a triangle whose sides are 13, 5 and 12. And also calculate the altitude using the longest side as a base. So here I have a triangle whose sides are 13, 5 and 12. So first I'll find the area by Herons formula. So A is 13 centimeter, B is 12 centimeter, and your C is 5 centimeter. Step 1, to find semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C divide by 2. So your S is 13 plus 12 plus 5 divide by 2, and the S comes as 30 divide by 2, S is 15. Then my second step. In the second step, I use the Heron formula, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And you know your S is 15. So you count 15 minus 13, 15 minus 12, and 15 minus 5. So I have here 15 minus 13, 2, 15 minus 12 here, 3, and 15 minus 5, 10. I'm calculating area. 15 I will write 3 into 5, 2 I write as 2, 3 I write 3, and 10 I write as 2 into 5. Now I need to make pairs to remove under the root sign. So I have 3 and 3 will be 1 3 here. Then there is 5 and 5 here into 5, and then there will be here 2 and 2, and this is 2. So my area in this case becomes 30 centimeter square. So the area of this triangle now is 30 centimeter square. Now in the next step I have to find the altitude using the longest base. Now which is the longest base? The longest base is this, 13 is the longest base. So I have to take, this is the third part of the sum, I have to take the base as 13. And I have to find the altitude on that 13. This is the altitude of the 13. This is the altitude on 13. I will put as H. I know area, the formula for area of a triangle, half base into height. Now my area I found out is 30, so I will put 30 here. And my base I know is 13. They have said take the longest side. Look here, longest side. So I have to take this as 13 and H. So here I have 30 into 2 over 13 equal to H. You need to solve this to get your answer. And the answer here is 4.615. So or if you do as mixed fraction, you will get it as 4/8 by 13. So this height here is 4/8 by 13. So in this first we found the triangle, area of the triangle by using Heron's formula, and then we did half base into height to find the height. In triangle ABC, BC is 13, CA is 14, AB is 15. Find the area of the triangle and its altitude corresponding to side AC. Similar sum. So first we'll draw the triangle, and in this triangle the sides are given as this A, B, C. AB is given 15 centimeter, BC 13 centimeter, and CA 14 centimeter. Let's go ahead and find the area. So A 15 centimeter, B 13 centimeter, C 14 centimeter. So step 1, to find semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C divide by 2. So your S is 15 plus 13 plus 14 divide by 2, and that is S is 42 divide by 2, and a semi-perimeter is 21. Now step 2, so that's step 1, we are done with the semi-perimeter. Let's get to step 2, and we know the area is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And S is 21. It is 21 minus 15. And we have here 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14. So this is 21 into, so on subtraction you will get this. So let's start breaking up. We have 21, we'll write 3 into 7, 6, we put 2 into 3, 8, we'll put 2 into 2 into 2, 7 remains as 7. Now let's start making our groups over there. If we can get it out of the radical sign. This 3 and 3 will be 1 3 here. Then we have 7 and 7 will be 1 7 here. 2 and 2, we have a 2 here. And we have this 2 here. And when we multiply all this up, we will get this as 84 centimeter square. That is the area of this triangle. So here it is 84 centimeter square, the area of this triangle. So this is 84. Now we've got to find the altitude on AC. So we have to take the base as AC. So this is our AC here. This is the AC. So our base is AC, which is equal to 14. And we need to find the altitude. This height we need to find. This H we need to find on AC. And we know area of triangle is half base into height. The area is 84, which we already have found. Half. Our base is 14. They have told us take base altitude on AC. So we've got to take AC here. And height is H. So 84 into 2 over 14 will be equal to the H. And here your H works out to 12 centimeters. So the height on AC is 12 centimeters. These sums were just like the earlier sums to find area by Herons formula, but there was one step extra where you have to find the altitude, and all you have to do is do half base into height. In an equilateral triangle of side 2a units, find the length of its altitude. So here we have an equilateral triangle. We are dealing with an equilateral triangle. The side of that triangle is 2a units. And we know what is the formula for area of equilateral triangle. It is root 3 by 4 side square. Root 3 by 4. The side here is 2a. This is our side, 2a. So 2a square. So that will be root 3, 2a square means 2a over 4. And when you cancel this, you will get root 3a square. What is this that we have found out? Is area of the triangle. So if I were to draw this triangle out here like this, and we know the area we have found is root 3a square is the area. And the sides of this triangle we know is 2a, 2a, 2a. They've given to us the side. We need to find the altitude. Means we need to find this. I'll put it in another color. Here we need to find this side. I mean this altitude. We do the same thing. We have area half base into height. Now area we know is root 3a square. Half. Now the base they have not mentioned, and they need not mention the base, because in an equilateral triangle all the sides are equal, all the bases are equal. So we can put any base, that is, all the bases are 2a, and we need to find the height. So your height will be, this will cancel out, so it will be root 3a square. The a will be down here, so your height will be root 3a. That will be the height of an equilateral triangle. All the three altitudes or height will be the same. Height and altitude is the same thing. Find the height of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 66. Hence, or otherwise calculate its area. So we need first, we have an equilateral triangle we are dealing with. And in this equilateral triangle, it is given to us perimeter is 66. Perimeter equal to 66. And we know in an equilateral triangle, if the side is equal to A, the perimeter is equal to 3A. Why? A plus A plus A. All three sides equal. So 3A. So perimeter is 3A. 3A equal to 66. So your A will be 66 over 3 and your A will be 22 centimeters. Means your side will be 22 centimeter. Now if we know the side, now we can go ahead and find the area. We know area of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 side square. That is root 3 by 4. What is your side here? 22. So 22 square. So that will be root 3 by 4, 22 into 22. And this, if you cancel, you will get your area as 11 into 11. So 121 root 3 centimeter square. But we are not done. We now need to find the height of this. Here we have the equilateral triangle, which I have colored there, and we know the area is 121 root 3. Now we go and do area equal to half base into height. The area we have found here, 121 root 3 half. The base is 22. The side is 22. This side. Let's put another color. This side here, we know this is 22. This is 22. And this also is 22. All the three sides are 22. So our base here is 22. And we need to find our height. So this will, of course, we can reduce this. So your height will become 121 root 3 into 2 over 22. And if you work this out, your answer will be 11 root 3. So the height of that triangle is 11 root 3. So in this case, what was given to us? The perimeter was given to us. From the perimeter here, we found the side. From the side, we found the area using the formula. From the area, then we did half base into height and we found the height. There were three steps in this. Perimeter, we found the side, we found the area, and then we found the height.